No, you can't take me there.
I cannot stop this car. I have a curfew.
I'm sorry that people are so jealous of me. But I can't help it that I'm popular.
Curfew, 1 a.m. It is now 1:10.
I'm sorry I laughed at you that time you got diarrhea at Barnes & Noble. And I'm sorry I told everyone about it. And I'm sorry for repeating it now.
Can't touch this.
Now I'm paralyzed.
I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this.
Freak down, drop my phone in the pool again. We freak in my Jeep.
He's climbing in your windows, he's snatching your people up, trying to rape them, so y'all need to hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband, cause they raping everybody out here.
Do I look like a slut?
Yeah. Yes.
Uh-huh. Shut up.
She came along, got him alone, and let's hear the applause. She took him faster than you could say sabotage.
You got designer shades just to hide your face, and you wear them around like you're cooler than me.
She had to know the pain was beating on me like a drum. She underestimated just who she was stealing from.
Now go stand in the corner and think about what you did.
Go.
Falling from cloud nine.
I got 99 problems and a bitch ain't one.
It's the last time you do that.
Why? Because I'm a beta?
No. It's because I have someone else in mind.
Oh, it is love from the first time I set my eyes upon yours.
Look at your man. Now back to me. Now back at your man. Now back to me. Sadly, he isn't me.
You're a hero.
I feel like a hero.
Call me obsessed, but I need to know your name, your age, your address, and where in the world you came from.
Okay, out, everybody.
You caught me off guard. Now I'm running and screaming. He looks like sex, 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 sex.
I want mine. If you take off all your clothes, come on, take them off.
I'm awesome. No, you're not.
Okay, what? How do you know that?
I am not watching The Notebook again.
It wasn't over for me. I waited for you. Now it's too late.
It wasn't over. It still isn't over.
Motherfucker, I'm awesome. I will run away from a brawl. I'm awesome. There's no voicemail, nobody called.
Is that everyone?
Come on. Come on.
I think so.
It's okay.
No, it's not.
It is.
Scott, I'm trying to break up with you.
I know. And it's okay.
How is that okay? Sex in the air, I don't care, I love the smell of it. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but chains and whips excite me. Oh, I think I like you. Once upon a time, there was a goddess and a hunter. She was beautiful, and he couldn't help himself. There wasn't a single part of her he didn't want to touch. But she was leaving soon. So he did something kind of crazy, and they lived happily ever after. Fantasy. Everybody has one.
Are you gonna go with him?
Yeah. Yeah, I think I will.
Oh my God. want someone to love me for who I am.
This newfound heroism is making me very attracted to you.
Shut up.
No, seriously.
Let me be your hero.
I stare at my reflection in the mirror. I will be rising from the ground like a skyscraper. Like a skyscraper.
Oh, how I wish that was me. Scratch my Jeep. You came to help. Came to win.
All I do is win, win, win. What the hell is your problem? Put your hands in the air, make them say yeah.
I'll be the hunted, you be the hunter. Scott? Don't forget to try the punch! Pictures of last night ended up online. I'm screwed. Oh well. It's a blacked out blur, but I'm pretty sure it ruled. Damn.
Bitch.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will.
Do the right side brakes on your dad's SUV squeak a little bit?
Yeah? There's a boat. There's a boat. I'll never let go. I promise.